Hi everyone, Chris here with Leeloo. Hope you're having a great, phenomenal week and day. Um, Happy Monday. Today is October 21st, 2024. And before we get started, let me just go over the disclosure. Please know that everything we talk about today is for educational purposes only. Be sure you read the disclosure here and be familiar with the FTC Rule 4.41. The future options trading carries a significant risk and may be unsustainable for everyone. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. This is not an offer to buy or sell. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Um, Everything on this video and all of our YouTube content is for educational purposes only. So, if you have any questions or anything at all, please be sure you email our support team, support@leelutrading.com. Um, let's see. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Let's do a quick sound check if to be sure you guys can hear me before I continue to go forward. Somebody says, "Can you please speak up?" So I want to be sure you guys hear me so I can go over the disclosure if I need to. So please confirm if you guys can hear me loud and clear. So, um, one important thing just to know of, um, okay, you're good. Okay, good. It was only on the trader side, so good to know. Loud and clear, loud and clear. Here we go. Okay, awesome. So, always important to know that, like I said, all of our content is for educational purposes only. And as you know, futures trading is very risky. So, please be sure you are aware of that and only trade with money you can afford to lose. All right, so I'm going to do a quick market analysis to kind of see what's going on today. As you can see, we do have some events going on, some sales on our end. So please be sure to check those out here on the left side of the screen. All right, so right now you're looking at the daily NQ candles. All right, and I'm always want to be mindful for those. So I'm going to do a quick poll. I want to see what level we have here, who's watching, and what's going on. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask a simple question: is kind of what level of trading people are in? Are you a begin? Let me just put it so. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see if this lets me do it. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna do a poll here. It says, what level of trading are you right now? New and just getting started. Uh, I've been trading for a few months, almost 1 year. I've been trading for over um, 2 years. All right, let's see. And excuse me for any any typos. I did those real quick here. So let me see who's here today. Let me just say hi to everyone. So John Cafe is here in the house. So John, good to see you. Thanks for being here. Also, thanks for being a phenomenal um, mod there on Discord. So guys, if you're not part of our Discord account, please be sure you join us on Discord. Love to see you there. We have Sip10G says first viewer. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being really quick to join us. Carlos Calles, hola a todos. Hi everyone. Good to see you, Carlos. Hope you're doing well. Amado Mad says hello. Let's see. We already said hi to Hype Muspad. Bernice Trading. Amahad Mad. Now Mr. Knife Art. Uh, let's see. TX in the house. What's going on, TX? And let's see. Investment passive looks. Hello, how you doing? Good to see you guys. Okay, all right. Just want to be sure sound is loud and clear, so we're good to go. All right, let's get to the markets here. Let's take about the next 10 minutes to talk some markets and any questions you have. So we'll do just a 15-minute get together today while you guys fill out the survey there. So please fill out the survey. Also, I'm going to talk about some giveaways. So in fact, let's start that now before I do anything else. So do me a favor. In the next few minutes after this video, once I'm done here, I'm going to go and record a new video that I'm pretty much going to talk about the sale that we have going on this week coming up and leading to Halloween. So on that video, so not this one, but the next one I'm going to post after this one, I'm going to ask a question. I want you to go into that video and participate and leave a comment answering the question that I asked in that video for your chance to win a free straight to PA performance account giveaway. Okay, so I'm gonna give a $25,000 performance account giveaway. All you got to do is pay the reduced lifetime PA fee, which is $119. So you don't have to try to qualify or anything like that. You don't have to buy any edge enhancers. So we'll do that for you. Okay. If you participate and get selected to for that giveaway. All right. So that being said, this week, stay tuned because I'm going to do several YouTube lives that I will also be giving away some stuff during the show. So during the live YouTube video. So be sure you join us for that. Okay, so let's take about the next 7-8 minutes here to talk about the markets, see what's going on, and see where you think it's going to go. Whether you're swing trading or day trading, love to interested to hear your end. Also, I am super excited about some really exciting things that are coming up in the next couple weeks. I can't go into detail, but we have been working around the clock, behind the scenes, on a lot of new stuff. So uh, it's almost like you're not going to recognize all the changes we have made, and they're all for the positive and for the better. As you guys already know, everything we do here at Leeloo is for long-term focus and sustainability for the trader and for ours for the company. So I'm excited about the new stuff that's coming out. It's going to open so many opportunities to so many of you, and that's something I'm definitely excited about. So, all right, let's get going and see what's going on here. All right, so looking at the NQ daily, all right, we saw the Friday we finished kind of uh, on bullish, but today, the 21st of October here, we're taking a dive here. So kind of breaking ground from what we covered on Friday. So based on when market structures I've seen a lot of rounding patterns, and we are coming up to the election here in the United States. The election is, I think, November 5th. So it's going to be interesting what the market does. Obviously, we're in an uptrend. And if you don't know what an uptrend is, it simply is higher highs and higher lows. So we've been in an uptrend for a while. And looking at our poll here, what level of trading are you right now? I see that 9% of you have been trading for a few months, 18% for almost 1 year, and 73% have been trading for over 2 years. So many of you probably know what I'm talking about. So good to know. But if you're new, hey, nothing wrong with that. We love new traders. In fact, we want to welcome you. If you're listening and watching here for the first time, let me be the first to welcome you to Leeloo. My name is Chris. I'm the CEO here at Leeloo. We have an amazing staff. We have an amazing support staff here at Leeloo. So any questions you have, in fact, we want you to ask those questions before you buy an account. So email us support@leelootrain.com. Just letting know, ask the questions. If you don't even know where to start looking, email us. We'll be happily to guide you to tell you where to start looking, what you need to know and read before you start trading with us. So we are different than other companies. Um, when we say something, we do it, and we again want to hold that integrity and trust that we have since we started Leeloo with our founder, Jody, who is just a phenomenal person, and she has built a great company and a great team. So I'm so glad to welcome you to the Leeloo family. So, and if you've been with Leeloo for a while, maybe you've been here but never had an account with us, we want to welcome you and tell you right now this is a great opportunity to join us with the current sales that we have going on right now, 90% off all LL and LB accounts. Be sure you read the fine print about some accounts are excluded in that sale. But besides that, be sure you take advantage of all that's going on right now. So um, let me see. Let me line something here. Okay, 1 second, guys. Mm, okay, so by the way, do you know what the Leeloo bundles are? If you don't know what the Leeloo's bundles are, okay. So if you're not familiar with the Leeloo bundles are, listen, you get um multiple multiple accounts. You get 5 accounts per bundle to try to qualify. So be sure, if you don't know much about the bundles, to read into that. Email us and we'll be happy to explain that to you. Okay, so I see a lot of questions coming in. Let me see if they're for me. Wiseman says I had an active account, and the question is my account is blown, so I have to start from again, or can I activate the same one? So I don't know what kind of account you have, Wiseman. Some accounts you can reset. So if you're on a monthly subscription, you can reset it, um, or you can just simply just buy another one. So that's a question for support, just because they will be able to see what kind of account you have, and they'll be better to guide you through that question. So any kind of I always like to say this: any specific questions about your specific accounts, the best place to do and ask is support, not here. Just because I don't know what kind of accounts you have, I can't go into all that information. So yeah. We have another comment here. It says, "Hey Chris, just wanted to ask why 30 days of first payout. I feel that will force traders to trade every day, not wait until the optimal setups." So let me answer that first. Let's break that down. Um, to request your first payout on the LLOLB accounts, that's the top left over here. You need 30 trading days, but you don't have to do it and trade every day. You can do that as long as it takes you to get the 30 trading days. So don't feel like you have to or you're being forced to. No one's forcing you to trade. In fact, I don't trade every day, and I wouldn't expect you to trade every day either. So what you're probably confusing is that you want to get to a faster payout, and you're forcing yourself to trade, right? So you're the only person forcing yourself to trade is you, not us or anyone. Hopefully, nobody's forcing you to trade. Um, so the other thing is, I would say, is if you don't want to trade for 30 trading days to request your first payout, then maybe the weekly account is for you. In fact, we're running a sale on the weekly account right now, where you get 85% off, and all you need is 10 trading days instead of 30 to request your first payout. And then you can do that to the nearest Saturday. Again, if you have any questions on that, please email our support team. And for a limited time, as you guys know, we do not run the weekly account on sale. In fact, we have not run this weekly account on sale for, gosh, probably over a year. So just until recently, we ran it on sale. So this is the time to buy it if you're interested. Okay, please be sure you use the code here on the screen so you can see which sorry, to use the code LRK to get the weekly. So all you got to do is go to our website leelootrade.com to buy that. Let's see. I think I saw somebody ask a question. Noredney says there's choice in this package between accelerator and investor or just investor. No, that's old. So right now, if you buy an LB account and you qualify, that's an investor. You only get the investor. So the only time you get an accelerator is if you buy it at Glide. Okay, so please note that. Okay. Sorry, guys. Just talking to my team real quick. Um, all right. So let's see. Yep. So Wise Man says you always so much help. Yeah, glad to be a help. Glad to be here. And so I'm talking to my team, just kind of managing some stuff. Okay. There we go. Okay, another question. Yep, sounds slow. Does this sound low to you guys? It sounds good to me. Let me know if it sounds low to you guys. And sorry, I am talking to my team, so I'm also texting, so I apologize. Okay, let's go markets real quick. So we're seeing the market move down. Let me go to 5 minutes, which is where I like to go. As we see, we had the market at market open. So for those who are new, the U.S. session, and when you hear market open, we're usually talking about the U.S. market. So the U.S. market opens at 8:30 Central Time, 9:30 Eastern. So we saw the market push up to start out the day. Very strong bullish move. But ever since we've been coming back down at a bearish and even passing the market open, slowing down just a bit here. So we might expect some sideways market throughout the day. And it'll be interesting to see because I do think they're going to continue to go high here, especially leading into the election. So that's going to be interesting. I'd love to hear what you guys think what's going to happen during the election, if the market's going to jump up and down. Uh, and when I'm talking about the election, I'm talking about the election here in the United States. So I did tell you guys to please watch and listen to the video that I'm going to post right after this YouTube video. So this is YouTube Live, but I'm going to post a video on our regular channel. Uh, and so if you haven't subscribed, please be sure you hit the like button and please be sure you subscribe. And that next video I'm going to post is the one you're going to go watch and make a comment. And when you leave a comment, you have a chance to win some giveaways that I'm going to be doing. The giveaway that I'm going to be doing for this upcoming video is going to be a straight to PA account. So please be sure you do that. So, gosh, my speech is like horrible right now. So I apologize for that. All right, I see we got 7 likes, but we do have 21 people watching. I wonder if we can get to 20 people, 20 likes on that. That would be great. Optioning says Leeloo's the best. Appreciate that. Thank you for your kind words. Okay, so what do you guys think? So looking back, this is again the NQ. Let me look at the hourly here. So I'm gonna look at hourly, just gonna see what's going on. Yeah, I mean that's a big rejection right there. So we do see while with the market did go up, we rejected pretty strongly here at 10 o'clock. Um, and this is again hourly. So very strong push. I want to be surprised. Let me go back to daily. I won't be surprised if they try to go a little bit lower. I don't know if they'll make it to 20,238 area. That's going to be interesting if they do. Or they may just hang out here. See, I think they just created a little random pattern. I think they are going to continue to go up. We are going against some strong zones here, some strong area that I think we're going to see a push down eventually. The question is how much overall. So if you look at the bigger picture, I do think we are creating. See how we created this rounded pattern to the downside. So I think we're going to potentially create some sort of. Let me draw it up here. That's not the right one. Let's see if this one. Let's see if we can do it this way. Something like that, right there. So I can kind of see this happening here. So we may go a little higher. Again, how high, right? That I don't know. But I think ultimately we're kind of creating this pattern here that's going to push us and probably have a strong push down overall. So this is kind of what I'm seeing here. So based on this two right here, I think we may do make a little even higher zone here. So I think we will go a little higher. So let me draw that up a little bit. Overall, now how far, how long, and how long would it take us to do this? That I don't know, but I kind of see this pattern happening. Um, that wouldn't surprise me here. So I do think we're probably going to head a little high. I don't know if we'll break that previous high there. Um, I think we might, especially coming into the election, we may see a push up, regardless of who wins. I think we're going to see the results, um, and push higher, and then eventually take a nice jump down. How far would that jump down be? Of course, I don't know, and I don't think anyone knows. But I would expect it maybe to come down to the 19,200s, 19,000 maybe area, somewhere around here. That would be interesting to see. But let me know if you guys think differently. Let me know if you guys think it's going to be a temporary short, then continue to go long, or you think we're going to take a deeper dive down here. So, how far down that will be? I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Please leave a comment on this video. So this is our YouTube live video. Leave a comment here. I'll check this out later, and when I come back later and read it, I'll love to see what you think. If it's going to go up, or if you agree with me, you think it's going to go up, but then back down, kind of steep. And how far down? And it'll be interesting to come back to this video in a couple months and see what happened, and what your thoughts were, if we were right or wrong. So, and by the way, we're at 14 likes, so appreciate that very much, guys. Wiseman says, I think I should be a Leeloo sales representative of South Africa, or how to become. Yeah, for sure. Listen, I'm glad you brought that up, Wiseman. So if you're interested in being an affiliate with us, did you know that we have some affiliates who are just making a killing? But we want good affiliates. We want affiliates that are genuine, that have integrity, and don't just, BS. We want genuine, active affiliates that love Leeloo, love traders, and that want to share the love with others. So if that's you, real simple, I'm going to tell you what you need to do. Email support. Just email support, support@leelootrading.com. When you go to support and email them, just say, hey, I'm interested in becoming an affiliate. Let me know what I need to do. It's real simple. They'll send you a link how to sign up. And if you are performing and you're doing well and you're sharing and you're growing, the more you grow, the more we will share with you more options and opportunities and stuff for your people and your followers. Okay. So please email support@leelootrading.com. Andreas, what's going on? Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. The Chris Show is not canceled, guys. So I've been working behind the scenes on a lot of different stuff. We're doing some big major changes that, again, you're going to love, and it's going to enhance your trading dramatically. And so because of that, I've been so busy. I haven't been able to do the YouTube Chris Show, but I hope to be back this week and going forward, especially coming into our favorite time of the year. We got Halloween, we got Black Friday, we got Thanksgiving, and we have, of course, my favorite time of the year, Christmas, in our 12 days of Leeloo sale. So I'm so excited to be back with you guys here, and I hope you guys stay tuned. And yeah, so I'll be back tomorrow. But again, I'm going to post a video here in the next few minutes. So I hope you watch that video and participate for the chance to win that giveaway. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. I can't wait to talk to you tomorrow. And thanks.